moment. Congratulations to the class of 2025. Now, may I take this opportunity to invite Akifa Ihsan, the valedictorian of the batch of 2025, to deliver the graduation speech on behalf of their batch.
To our esteemed chief guest tonight, His Excellency Omar Amir Rajwat, respected Principal Sir Dr. Rukshan Razak, Deputy Principals, Vice Principals, dignitaries, Vice President of the PTA and other members, faculty, family and friends. Assalamu alaikum and a good evening to all of you. It is an immense honor to stand here in front of you all tonight and deliver the graduation speech as the valedictorian of the class of 2025. From years to months to weeks to just a few days back, it has been one long countdown to this day. However, now that we've returned to our seats, diplomas in hand, it's difficult not to feel the weight of this moment. A symbol of everything we've achieved and everything we're about to step into. As we prepare to move forward, we're met with a wave of emotions. A quiet sadness in leaving behind the place and the people that have shaped us. A sense of accomplishment for all that we've achieved, and above all, a mix of excitement and uncertainty as to what lies ahead. Going back in time to 2016, when I first walked into SLISR during the 4th grade, I never imagined the person I'd become or the experiences that I'd go through here. It felt like an endless maze of new challenges, unfamiliar faces, and big expectations. Over the years, we've all faced challenges, grown in different ways, and become our own individuals. We've learned, stumbled, risen, and each of us has found our own paths. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We've been gifted with that weapon, sharpened through years of learning, efforts, and mentorship. From here, our journeys will diverge. And while we may take different paths, the lessons we've learned, the strength we've gained, and the experiences we've shared will stay with us as we step into whatever comes next. In retrospect, beyond the field trips, class parties, and all the events that were held, what I find myself missing the most would be the conversations we used to have with our teachers on random Monday mornings. To my teachers, you made our classrooms full of light, life, and laughter. You treated us like we were your children, offering guidance, wisdom, and tough love when we needed it the most. You didn't just share knowledge, you imparted valuable life lessons that will stay with us forever. You taught us how to be resilient, how to trust in our own abilities, and most importantly, how to be kind and compassionate. As Maya Angelou once said, people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Thank you to all our teachers for making us feel seen, heard, and supported. That's something we will carry with us throughout. Every success of mine is not just my own. Every success of mine is owed to my mother and father. From driving me to every school event and ironing my uniform when I would oversleep, my father always made sure I had everything I needed to succeed. From taking care of me on the day-to-day, being my best friend and closest confidant, my mother gave me the strength to face the world. I would not be standing here tonight if not for their countless sacrifices, sleepless nights, and dedicated efforts to bring me here. Your support has been the backbone of everything I've ever achieved, so I thank you. To all our families, all our teachers, and to everyone who contributed to our growth along the way, I offer you all a sincere thank you, and I hope we can become individuals that you can be proud of. Whilst drafting this speech, I found myself at a standstill. What could I say that would truly resonate with my fellow graduates and everyone here today? That is when I realized that sometimes we don't need to have all the answers. We don't need to know exactly what comes next. What matters is that we are here. In this moment, we have made it this far, and that in itself is a testament to our resilience. I have faith that if we continue to uphold our values and always strive for excellence, then we will be successful. So, let us chase our passions, believe in our potential, and never stop learning. Class of 2025, here's to all that the future holds. I wish every one of you all the very best. This is your valedictorian, signing off. Thank you.